Senior School Primary 4 class.
My name is Rachel.
We are going to learn about body organs. This is the experiment showing the body organs for a rabbit by our class teacher, Stanley.
Petrol, we are going to use it as chloroform. Use it as chloroform. You call it chloroform?
Yes.
It is chloroform. For only those who are willing to become doctors.
Yes.
I believe everyone wants.
Yes.
This is what we call it an incomplete. What is breathing?
Breathing is the taking in and out of air.
So that breathing is done by the lungs. Remember, we need oxygen in our body. So what the lungs do? They allow air to come in. Then the heart is near to the
Lungs.
The heart is near to.
The lungs.
Remember, it is the duty of the heart to pump blood around our body. Then we come to
The liver.
the liver. So this is
The
the liver. Then the liver has the green thing. Have you seen it?
Yes.
So we called it the gallbladder. You called it
The gallbladder.
gallbladder. So we said the importance of the liver is to remove poison from food. Also what you call the pancreas. You called it
Pancreas.
pancreas. So this is the pancreas. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
It's here. Again, it is also looking like the liver, but it's called the pancreas. Then this is the stomach. This is the stomach. The importance of the stomach is to store food. What's the importance of the stomach?
To store food.
Then we have the intestines now. As it eats food, it goes here. Then it is kept here, and then after it leaves. See, it is coming through like this, like this. I see how it is coming. Like that, like this. So where the food enters from, or as it leaves
The
the stomach, it goes to the ileum. It goes to
The ileum.
the intestines have blood vessels.
Yes.
Are you seeing them?
Yes.
That as your carbohydrate is passing here, the enzymes remove the carbohydrates from your portion, and then they enter bloodstream through those blood vessels.
Yes.
Then after here, it is taken to the heart. Your carbohydrates is taken out to the heart to be pumped to all parts of the body. You're playing those bad games. Someone may injure your kidney. The importance of the kidney is to filter blood. They come here. When they come here, this kidney filters, removes the water part and those dangerous chemicals, and takes them to the blood. Urinary bladder. It is collected where?
The urinary bladder.
Yes. Then after, when the urinary bladder is full, it goes out. So this urinary bladder has got some. Before it goes out, the brain instructs it. It is food. Go for a short echo. Teacher, may I go for short echo? It has what you call the sphincter muscles. That the sphincter muscles they are called?
The sphincter muscle.
Yeah, so they keep that bladder closed. When it is too much, it also loses control, and you need to pass out. So we call this
The lungs and the heart.
yes. So move on.
My name is Namora Nori. I am in primary 4. You know what I have learned? I have learned the heart, which pumps blood. It helps the body to get blood. It pumps everywhere blood.
My name is Namanga Linet. I'm in P4. Today we have learned about body organs. You know what I've learned? This is the urinary blood that takes the urine outside.
My name is Daniel. Today we have learned about body organs. For me, what I have learned, these are the glands which bring air inside.
My name is Nachanzi and I am in primary 4.
Today we have learned about body organs. You know what I have learned? That this is the liver which takes away all poison from the body.